In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell event tickets on Shopify. This step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process of setting up your Shopify store to start selling tickets for your events efficiently. Whether you're hosting a concert, a workshop, or any other type of event, setting up ticket sales through Shopify can streamline your management process and enhance the experience for your attendees. Let's get started by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store. This is where all your store management begins. Look out for the option to add new items to your store. This allows you to expand your store's capabilities and offer new products or services like event tickets to your customers. Next, you'll head over to the Shopify App Store. Our goal here is to find the right tool that will help us sell event tickets. In the App Store, use the search bar at the top and type in Event Tickets. This search will bring up various apps designed to facilitate the sale of tickets directly through your Shopify store. Specifically, we are looking for an app called EV Events and Tickets. This app is one of the most popular or well-rated solutions available, helping you securely manage and sell tickets with ease. Once you've located the EV Events and Tickets app, click on it to go to its dedicated page. Here you'll find more detailed information about the app's features, user reviews, and support options. Read through this information to gain a better understanding of how it will integrate with your store and benefit your event management. After you have explored the overview and feel confident with choosing this application, the next step is installation. Click on the Install button to add this app to your Shopify store. Shopify will walk you through the permissions and settings required to integrate this app effectively. Ensure you follow these prompts carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. With the app now installed, return to your Shopify admin dashboard. You'll see the newly installed app among your list of store applications. Click on the app to open it, and you'll find an option labeled Create Event. Selecting this will begin the process of setting up your first event for which you'll be selling tickets. During the event creation, you'll input necessary details such as the event name, description, date, location, and the number of tickets available. These details are crucial as they inform potential attendees and help in managing event capacity. Once your event is all set up, the system will guide you through pricing your tickets and setting any additional options like early bird discounts or VIP packages. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively set up and start selling event tickets on your Shopify store, making it even easier for your customers to access and attend your upcoming events. Happy selling!